Your pool's a masterpiece, your backyard retreat. The last thing you want to do is spend most of your time cleaning it. With the Caretaker in-floor pool cleaning system, you can now own the self-cleaning pool you've always dreamed of. Installed during the construction phase of your new pool, Caretaker is engineered to be virtually invisible. All you'll see are streamlined head covers that come in a variety of colors to match your pool floor. These activated cleaning heads rotate 18 positions in a full 360-degree circle for a thorough and complete cleaning coverage. Each cleaning head comes with one of 6 different nozzle sizes, based on the size, shape, and features of your pool or spa, to optimize Caretaker's cleaning power. With Caretaker, you can keep larger debris like leaves, twigs, and bugs that could cause filter damage and water flow interruption out of your pool circulation system. During each cleaning cycle, water is directed by the Caretaker valve to activate cleaning heads located strategically throughout your pool. These cleaning heads work together to push a powerful stream of water that propels debris toward the main drain, keeping the water in your pool circulating and flowing without interruption. With a properly circulated pool, you'll reduce your annual maintenance and chemical costs. The Caretaker system circulates the warm, clean, sanitized water into your pool, reducing algae and bacteria growth. Valuable chemicals, heat, and clean filtered water are evenly distributed, and hot and cold spots throughout your pool are eliminated. And Caretaker works with variable speed pumps to save even more money. This powerful cleaning and circulation process is driven by a zone shifting valve, the heart of the Caretaker system. Revolution is our newest valve and offers an ultra-durable and more efficient 6-port hydraulic shifting system we call Hydromax. Also available is the Powerhouse, the only electronic 8-port valve on the market, perfect for larger pools or pools with multiple water features. And the Workhorse, our long, dependable hydraulic 5-port valve for smaller pools or spas. Caretaker valves are peerless in their ability to quickly and efficiently clean 99% of your pool with less energy use. And with Caretaker, you don't have to deal with unsightly vacuum hoses or the daily hassle of lugging equipment in and out of the pool. After cleaning, the heads elegantly retract, flush with the pool floor. These benefits all add up to more time for relaxation and a safer swimming environment for your loved ones. Without lifting a finger, you'll have a sparkling clean pool ready to be enjoyed by you and your loved ones.